Hi, I'm Pete Piekarski. I am Submarine Works. I'm here this year at the 2008 International Sub Regatta for the subcommittee. I brought along my new kit, USS Ohio Class ballistic missile submarine. It's in 1/96 scale. I'm selling it as a kit, and got a couple of features on it that I came up with I think will work pretty good and help put it together easier. One of them is this missile deck I made as a separate piece, and I've indexed it so that it'll go in the same place every time. If you lift up the back and slide the front apart, there's an indexing tab on the front, and then underneath on the back is a tab that fits into a hole on the hull here, so that every time it's going to go back together the same position. It's easy for the builder to line up. On top of the top deck itself, I've got some markings that if you want to open it up for WTC access, you can do that, and it's already lined up for you. Otherwise, there's some holes for ballast for the air to escape when it submerges and surfaces that can be drilled out. So I think that's a pretty neat feature I put into it. For the plane roots, I've built those onto the hull. They're cast in it, and the planes themselves are tabbed and indexed. So it's the same one that goes on both sides, and then they just will fit in these holes that get drilled out. It's a lot easier to line up your dive plane, and you're not going to have all the hassle trying to get them in the right position. For the prop and the shaft, I've come up with this unit here that will just simply replace the back end of the hull. You'll cut that off, this will slide in place. You'll put it in the back like this, it's already registered and centered. No drill in the hole trying to get it right in the center. So I thought that was a nice little invention. I think will make the build a lot easier. Another feature that I've worked into this design is for registering the two hull halves. Got the bottom half here, the top half here. There are indexing tabs that will go in the side here along the distance of it so that you can index the top to it. But what I've come up with to index the top is this new piece here. And what happens is in the inside of the top, this will fit in here at various places along the hull, and that'll automatically tab into that indexing tab that goes on the bottom, so that your sides line up all the time when you put it together. I think it'll be a lot easier than putting in a number of little pieces on both sides, trying to keep them all the same height. This gets you 2 at a time, 6 times glued in, you're done. Included in the kit will be a sail. With the top of the sail, it's a 2-piece sail, goes together, it's registered to fit together. I got the sail planes with a square shaft, so you hook up a control horn and those will turn together. You get control linkages for the back, get top and bottom rudder. You get 6 of these registration tabs that go in the top hull. You get the tail nose cone with the shaft pre-installed and registered, and you'll get 2 stern planes, the roots and the planes themselves. The whole kit is available right now from me at Submarine Works. You can find it at geocities.com/submarineworks, one word, or you can call me directly at 260-749-1641 and place your order. I build them per order, so get your call in and get your order in, and the sooner you can get it. Thanks.